Okay, this um, okay. Let me first go on higher time frame. Let me first go on higher time frame from here. Hmm, six. If I hide all the drawings, what we can see on daily chart, market has taken out all-time high here. On daily chart, market has cleared out all-time high, and and market has been reeling. Market has been going higher and higher and higher for more than like 2 weeks, and we do not have a single bearish candle. So after market took out this external range liquidity, I was expecting some kind of retracement. On 4-hour chart, we can see market open on Monday. Market open very lower with a gap lower. Market went up, fill out this gap completely, and then it came down. On 1-hour chart, we can see this gap clearly. And now on 30 seconds, 30-minute chart, what we can see here. Now, first I will talk about my standard model. From here, what we can see, we do not have a valid dealing range, higher time frame dealing range. This dealing range was not valid. Why? Because we have this equal highs above, and this dealing range was formed with a gap. So I was not expecting this dealing range. But we have this dealing range. This was a valid dealing range formed after a stop trade. I was expecting market to go up, take out this internal high, and then come all the way down. While going up, it has generated liquidity here. So I was expecting market to first go all the way up and take out this high. There was no SMT here, nothing. So I did not found any entry. My model, standard model, breaker model, did not provided me any entry opportunity. And then in the PM session, it started chopping like slow upward. It was very choppy price action. That's all for my standard model. Now, when I talk about my inversion model, market has presented really good trade opportunity. Here are the charts. First, let me go on 1 minute time frame. First trade that formed was here. This was our first trade. Market came down here. Here, market came down. Take out this Asia low. Yes, we can see this low here. Take out this Asia low, and we have beautiful V-shaped reversal, good momentum. Time spent was a little higher, so it was A setup, not A plus. Good momentum. Break even here, TP1 and TP2 on this gap. And this reversal was from 50% of daily range. So this was a strong level with sweep confluence. Thus, it was a good trade. And we have this equalize that market ultimately reach for this equalize. This was first trade. Now, this was and now we have second trade. In second trade here, market took out Asia high, quick reversal, V shape, similar fair value gap, and it has validated both 1 minute and 2 minute. It has validated both 1 minute and 2 minute involved in fair value gap. This it was a great trade. And we have low resistance liquidity run as our DUL, break even here, TP1, TP2, and if you have taken TP3 here, done. So we have two winning trades. And then market doesn't provide any trade opportunity here. Meanwhile, and now comes market open. After market open, before market open, we have a data week high and data week low. This data week high was from news. After market open, it first took out data high and then it came very close to data low. This low, there was a SMT here. Uh, I took out a trade from this inversion. I took out trade from this inversion. V-shape reversal, quick momentum, candle strength, and BE here, TP1 here. But the problem with this trade was that it had came very close to data low, and there was no SMT with data low. So this is our DUL, and it has came very close to it. So there was no point to take out this trade. This was a bad trade. And then market came down one more time. It took out the data low. We have this wonderful accumulation, manipulation, distribution AMD profile. We have SMT here, SMT, SMT, AMD profile, V-shape reversal, good momentum, good RR, break even was here, TP1 was here, and TP2 was in between this gap. This was one of the best trade. And then we came for this trade. After sweep, this was a SMT. There was a SMT here too. SMT2 market traded into this 5-minute fair value gap. We can see here this 5-minute fair value gap. This 5-minute fair value gap traded into this 5-minute fair value gap. Beautiful V-shape reversal, good momentum. Entry was here, break even was here. TP1 and TP2. I already got more than 1:2 hour. And then there was another trade here. There was a SMT market went up one more time on ES. V-shape reversal, good momentum, candle strength, and then we have engineered liquidity. This was equal load, and this was high probability. Market came all the way down. This was great trade opportunity. So we have already found three trades, and then market shoulder. Market came all the way down. It took out this London low. It took out this London low, and ES was very up. So there was a SMT. After SMT, what we can see? We can see here we have a V-shape reversal, good momentum, and a sweep. After sweep, we have good momentum, V-shape reversal. So I took out this trade, break even here, TP1 here, and TP2 here. Done for the day. It was a great trade. And one more thing, let me recalibrate this. TP1, TP break even TP1 here, TP1 here, and TP2 here. Done for the day. And then there was this trade that I have marked on. What we can see here is this. Market respected this 50% level. Market respected this 50% level. We have V-shape reversal, good momentum, and market reached the TP. Just want to two candle. Market reached TP here. Just want to two candle. After that, no trade opportunity. Price started chopping up slowly. Volatility volume become very low. ATR very low. So this was all. Okay, this was all for today. In total, we have found one trade, two trade, three, four, five, six, and seven trades. And it's inversion fair value gap is performing very well. Oh, Bombay. Can you say how good these trades are? Obviously I have to before obviously some of the mistakes I made here was this was this trade failed because it has come very close to data low, that is our DUL, and still I took out this trade. I took out on the basis of this SMT, but it's okay, it was a mistake. And then I missed out this trade because I thought market might reach for this, but it doesn't need to. Why? Because there was a AMD profile. It has traded into this 15-minute fair value gap. It has taken out a low with SMT, so we can take out this trade. This was a good trade. This was also a good trade. This was very, very good trade. And this was also very good trade. This trade might not be good, but still it's okay. It respected this 50% level. We have a beautiful rejection, V-shape reversal, and we can see we already got here 1 is to 1.2. So that's more than enough for us. What were the learning points for today? One of the learning points for today is this, that when we market close very close to data low, we do not need to take reversal because this will act as a strong magnet. We are not allowed to take reversal. Why? This will act as a strong magnet. Okay. And one repeating thing that I have just found is this AMD profile, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Beautiful. The same thing here. AMD profile, accumulation, manipulation into sweep, and then reversal, distribution. Accumulation, manipulation into sweep, and then distribution. Wonderful trade. This is one of the, and can you see the intensity? How, what is the strength of this distribution? Here, very strong. The same thing here, very strong. And this 3 minute, and one more learning. In this 3 minute, I took out the trade here, and my initial stop loss was here. Market came down, it stopped me out. If I would have taken given my stop loss here, then if I have put my stop loss here, it has never stopped me out. First thing. Second thing, weak are allowed weeks are allowed weak not weak weeks are allowed to came down, but body tell the real story, and body never invalidated the inversion. It simply stopped me out and then it went up. I re-entered here when I see that it started rejecting, body started closing inside, and so I re-entered here and then it reached my TP, uh, break even TP1 here and then TP2 this 50% level. Wonderful. That's all for this.